Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'll give you guys a hotel and room tour of the Grand Californian Hotel over at Disneyland California. It's been over 10 years since we visited, so it all felt pretty new to us, and we love the extra proximity of everything here in comparison to over at Walt Disney World, which is way closer to us and we visit more often. So the hotel is almost identical to the Wilderness Lodge over at Walt Disney World with certain differences. Of course, had to get a just graduated pin since that's what we were celebrating, and ironically this time we went for the 100th anniversary of the Disney company, and last time we were here at Disneyland they were celebrating their 50th anniversary. As you can see by the lobby, it's kind of a carbon copy of the Wilderness Lodge, and they had this cool sculpture with hidden Mickeys that were harder than normal to find, which was surprising, and here's a bit of info regarding it and the ingredients. The outside of the hotel is so beautiful with so many colorful flowers, and I immediately felt like I was at Disney because to the right was the pool, which was pretty packed and blasting Disney music. This is Napa Rose, one of the many restaurants here and the fancy one. We didn't eat here, so I have no review for you, but I just wanted to show you. And I will get into it later in the video, but across from the pool you can find the walkway to the California Adventure Park. The decor of the floors and the rooms are rustic and woodsy, as you can see, and not sure if all the rooms were like that, but at least ours had a California theme as well with a lot of orange related stuff. The monorail also passes by this hotel, and unfortunately I didn't get any clips of it, but just imagine how great it looks. The bathroom was pretty stocked with a laundry basket since they have a laundry room at the hotel. They have a stepping stool, blow dryer, toilet paper, and you also get some toiletries that I will show you individually. Among them you get a dental kit, a shower cap, a shoe kit, and a variety kit. Right across the bathroom you can also find an armoire with extra pillows, slippers, and bathrobes that were super soft inside. And right next to it you also have a desk by where the TV is with a coffee machine, cups, and a mini fridge. The room also came with a balcony and an awesome view of downtown Disney to the left and the Disneyland Park entrance to the right, which you had to lean to be able to see it. One of the many awesome things about this hotel is that you have an immediate entrance to both Downtown Disney and California Adventure Park. So this is the entrance to Downtown Disney, through which you'll enter by the bakery candy shop, which is a great place to start. The hotel also has this terrace where you can watch World of Color. Unfortunately, we arrived about 3 minutes before it started and it was packed, so we didn't stick around. So I recommend arriving at least 15 minutes early. And they didn't have any speakers for the music, so you're kind of relying on the music that's playing at the pier itself. So instead we went to the lobby where they had some piano playing and singing, which was very nice. The other awesome part of this hotel is the personal entrance to the California Adventure Park, like I mentioned. So it's right across from the pool, and after security, they scan your ticket and you're inside Grizzly Peak. And it's also a plus that you get early entry, so we were able to skip the line and immediately ran over to Cars Land. This is us bypassing the line of everybody that was waiting to enter Cars Land. So you just went towards the right hand side and showed your hotel room card to the cast members there and you were in. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me and I will see you in the next one. Bye!